Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to delete Instagram Reels on iPhone and Android. Instagram Reels never fail to amaze you. That's the reason why they never seem to lose their charm. Creating stunning Reels and sharing them with friends and followers is great. But what if you no longer want to show some old Reels on your Instagram profile? No worries, as there is a neat way to delete Instagram Reels. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next up, choose your activity option in the menu. After that, tap on Reels to proceed. On the screen, you should see all of your Instagram Reels. Now tap on the Select button at the upper right corner of the screen. Then select all the unwanted Reels that you want to get rid of. And finally tap on the Delete button at the bottom and you are good to go. So that's how you can get rid of all the unnecessary Instagram Reels. It's worth pointing out that when you delete any Instagram Reel, the app saves the video in a separate folder and keeps it for up to 30 days. Therefore, you can restore the video later if you ever want to. After 30 days of deletion, the videos are deleted permanently, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily delete Instagram Reels on your iPhone or Android device. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.